This is Hyll, a unique and characterful cottage and a well-known landmark in Capel Curig. Its origins are obscure. There are stories that it was built by a pair of outlaw brothers in 1475 as a hideout in the depths of the forest, or that it was a so-called Ty-Unos built on common land between dusk and dawn. Sadly, there's no hard evidence that it existed before the middle of the 19th century. It was probably built specifically as a romantic cottage to match the beautiful surroundings as part of the picturesque movement. From 1928, it belonged to Edward and Lillian Riley, who ran the popular tea room here. When I was a boy in the 1960s, looking out for the ugly house, as we called it, was one of the highlights of travelling back home from our holidays in Rhosneger in Anglesey. Many years later, I worked as director of Cymdeithas Eryri, the Snowdonia Society, and during that time, in the 1990s, Hyll was my office. The house had been purchased by the Society in 1988 and lovingly restored by Peter Kirby, the husband of the then chair, Esme Kirby. The building is now used as a cafe. You can enjoy a refreshing cup of tea and delicious cakes in the beautiful surroundings of the Llugwy Valley. The house is surrounded by a wonderful wildlife garden and ancient woodland, mostly sessile oak and birch with an understory of hazel. It's open to the public for free. Why not drop in for a coffee?